Snow is not only a natural phenomenon, it is also a symbol of change and renewal. Each snowflake descends to the ground under the influence of gravity, with its own unique journey and envelops the world around it with a different beauty. This video wants to reflect those moments when you can't hear the sound of snow, but it touches your soul with its visual impact. A world lost in silence is renewed by a blanket of white. The cold weather of winter sometimes forces you to stop and think. But snow carries with it a warmth, a peace, a serenity. The sparkling patterns formed by the tracks on the snow and the freshly fallen snowflakes make us realize how precious and temporary life is. Each snowflake is unique, just like us. Sometimes when it snows, we become silent. All sounds from the outside world slowly fade away, leaving only a peaceful melody whispered by nature. The falling of snowflakes is nature's simplest yet most moving melody. This video presents those quiet moments in a way that makes you feel the graceful and calm power of nature. Snow creates a beauty that is at once cold and heartwarming. Each snowflake that falls leaves a peace that deepens with each step. As you watch, let the white blanket surround you. Get lost in the silence. Feel this special moment nature offers us and just watch. Snow slows everything down, connects everything with a deeper meaning. For souls seeking peace, this video reflects the calming effect of snow.